This Select Realty property video is presented by Brittany Roberts. Take a look at this tastefully upgraded home. Renovations are not 100% complete, but don't let that turn you away from this opportunity. This home boasts 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a large eat-in kitchen, a separate dining room, an additional room that could be renovated into a 4th bedroom or an office, and a 2-car garage. Large corner lot with a fenced-in backyard and a storage shop. There is also a RV plug on the side of the home. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Roberts at 479-394-7676.